Does your Apple Watch look like this after the latest update? You don't see your home screen. You don't see your complications. You have to keep closing the live activity view to see all of the information that you've set up on your Apple Watch. If you're like me and you want to actually see the screen that you set up, to see your rings, to see the weather, to have quick access to features that you like on your Apple Watch and see the battery, it can be a little bit annoying to see that screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the settings and we're going to find the settings app and you scroll down to Smart Stack. Tap on Smart Stack, then tap on Live Activities. You can turn this feature off completely, but I still find it useful to swipe up from the bottom. So I'm going to keep it on, but I'm going to turn off this feature, which when a live activity begins, auto launch live activities. If you play music from your iPhone, this feature will show that screen when music is playing. And it won't give you the normal playback controls. It's just going to give you a play pause button, which is not as useful if you want to skip songs or change the volume. So I'm going to disable that by tapping that button. And that should make your Apple Watch experience more like what it was previously before the latest update. So if we go back here and we swipe up, we can get access to our live activities, but they're not going to take over forever. So I think we can test this out. If I stop this timer, and then if we ask Siri, hey Siri, give me a 3-minute timer.
3 minutes, counting down.
We're going to see the live activity here, but I believe that when my Apple Watch goes idle or it times out, eventually this may disappear. And we should be able to go back to the home screen. So there you'll see, after a brief moment in time, we're back to the screen that I want to see. We see all of the settings that I've set up on my Apple Watch. I can see my battery. I can see my activity level. I can see the weather and the impending snowstorm that maybe we'll get some snow tonight. All right, thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the like button, and I will see you in another video.